Speedip V2 plus common errors handling and rope tidy up. Speedip V2 plus common errors fall into the following 4 types. Please skip to the corresponding timestamp in the video as needed. Error 1. After tapping the descend button, the pop-up window prompts error. Not enough load detected. Possible causes. 1. The payload weight is too small and the main unit detects insufficient rope tension. 2. During the previous retraction, the outer and inner layers of the rope tangled together so the rope cannot be released normally. 3. The winch system is malfunctioning. Resolution. Make sure the sampling container is properly attached so that the rope is stretched tight with sufficient tension. Tap the ascend button to retract the container to the top. Then tap descend again to retry, and the error will be cleared accordingly. If the error remains, end the sampling mission and perform rope tidy up. Error 2. During descent, the pop-up window prompts error. Container grounding detected. Possible causes. 1. The container has hit a hard object in the water and cannot descend further. 2. The container is under the lifting force from the water and cannot descend for a period of time. Resolution. Check whether the rope is slack and swinging via the downward-facing camera. If the rope is slack and swinging as shown in the video, the container has touched the bottom. Tap the ascend button to retract the container and finish the mission. If the rope tension is sufficient as shown in the video, tap the descend again to continue. Please note, if the error reappears after tapping descend, do not try to descend again. Abort the mission promptly to avoid internal entanglement. When working in strong currents, a heavier stainless steel container is recommended to reduce the chance of the container being lifted by the water. If errors occur frequently, perform rope tidy up. Error 3. During descent, the pop-up window prompts error. Rope tangling detected. Possible cause. While the rope is being released, the container moves upward. The main unit detects this within 0.5 seconds and stops the mission. Resolution. Tap the ascend or collie button to retract the container. After the container reaches the top, release the rope again. If the tangling error still occurs, retract the container to end the mission and perform rope tidy up. Error 4. During ascent, the pop-up window prompts error. Motor stall detected. Possible cause. During retraction, the pull-up force required exceeds the system limit continuously for 3 seconds. To prevent damage to the winch or to the UAV, power output is stopped. Resolution. Abort the mission immediately. Try to tap ascend or collie button several times to retract the container and contact Soarability for maintenance. If the container cannot be retracted, attempt to return safely. If not possible, activate the emergency rope cut function to abort the container and then return the UAV, and contact Soarability's after-sales team. Rope tidy up procedure. As shown in the video, position the UAV with open space below, hold steady, and power on. Set the sampling mode to manual on the remote controller. Stretch the rope by hand to keep it tight, then tap the descend button to release the rope completely. If tangling occurs, pull a little harder as needed to help untangle while releasing. If it cannot be untangled in one attempt, tap the ascend button. Once the rope starts moving up, tap descend button again to retry. Keep the rope stretched tight and tap ascend to retract the rope. Then, rope tidy is now complete. If rope tangling persists despite the procedures above, please contact Soarability's after-sales team. Thanks for watching.